this is Lance, Apply Pro Specialist for AHW. Today we're going to be talking about the DN495 nutrient applicator. During this walk around of the DN495, we're going to talk about the different bin configurations, G4 or G5 spinner frame assemblies, and line capability. Now let's go take a look. This is the DN495. Here, as you can see, we have the single bin configuration. If we wanted to apply two products at the same time, we would put in a second bin called the multiplier. Allows us to apply two different products at the same time. The other configuration is a multi-bin. Still gives us two different products to apply at the same time, with an addition of two micro bins in the back, which are smaller. This would be micronutrients or cover crop seed. So as we move back on the ground here to the back of the DN495, we have two different fan frame options, the G4 and the G5, which you can see here. The G5 fan frame assembly moves left and right, in and out, to give us 16 spreadable sections. The G4 is mounted solid, does not move, and gives us one spreadable width. With the G4, that gets into our last benefit of lime spreading. The belt over chain with the fixed fan frame, we're able to spread lime at higher speeds, up to 3 ton at 18 mile an hour. On the DN495, the operator with one touch of a button can activate the automatic chain oiler at the end of every day to lubricate the chain. Again, this is Lance Murdoch, Apply Pro Specialist at AHW. Thanks for hanging out with us today during this walk around. If you believe this could help your operation, then visit us at AHWLLC.com to learn more. And remember, AHW is always here when there's work to be done.